Assalamu alaikum, this is Saklan from Crypto Crazy. In today's video we are going to talk about Syntropy. What began as Noya Network, an ambitious effort from a small group of individuals, eventually evolved into something much larger, Syntropy. Syntropy is designed to solve issues prevalent in the current internet framework, including security, privacy, governance, performance, reliability, and ineffective resource utilization. This technology is rapidly decentralizing, but all of this decentralization still requires the public internet to connect and communicate. Unfortunately, the internet of today is highly centralized, preventing the true democratization of technology. Syntropy will decentralize the internet at its core without sacrificing compatibility with current protocol. It results in a safer, faster internet experience that allows true decentralization to begin. Noya network aims to utilize segment routing, IPv6, and distributed ledger technology to create a global software-defined network (SDN) on the public internet. Internet now, data security is third-party dependent, no privacy, cost-based, not optimal performance, controlled by internet providers solely. Internet with Syntropy, user-centric system, trustless, true end-to-end data security, privacy by default, best possible performance for every connection, governed by the users. Noya's programmable internet reportedly allows internet service providers, data centers, and individual infrastructure providers to connect to distributed ledger and sell their infrastructure as internet transit. The Noya platform aims to be the world's first programmable internet backbone as a service. Noya token is the gas that facilitates connections and data transfers over Syntropy. As a layer 1 technology, Noya represents the aggregate value of information communicated across the Web3 ecosystem. It creates the initial financial incentives for this network to be created and then operated by and for the user community. It will bridge the gap between the Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 by enabling secure and reliable connectivity to all Web 3.0 services. What will be the uses of the Noya token? Sending data through decentralized autonomous routing protocol, creating secure connections between two peers, governing the network to enable democratized development. DARP is the decentralized autonomous routing protocol. We will discuss about it later in the video with its partnership with the Starlink. Let's talk about its partners. In its partner, it includes Microsoft, Oracle, Invictus, Maven 11, eShelter. Microsoft selects Noya Network for its Fast Track program. Last summer, Noya joined Microsoft's startup program. Since then, our teams have worked together to design, build, and scale the network. This April, Noya extended its participation in the program by getting additional support from Microsoft to boost network performance. Today, we are proud to advance our partnership further with Noya being selected for Microsoft Fast Track program and its possible partnership with Starlink, Syntropy, and Starlink testing the results. What will be its use cases for Starlink? Syntropy adds smart routing capabilities to your data, reducing latency, avoiding outages, and lower packet loss. Our data suggests that up to 70% of internet routes can be improved using our drop-in software solution. Smart routing is like having your internet connection ride on Google Maps versus paper maps. Using Syntropy, your data can avoid congestion, outages, and even censorship while rerouting in real time. This smart routing system is backed by our distributed autonomous routing protocol called DARP technology. DARP nodes constantly shares latency information, creating a global intelligence layer for internet pathways. DARP nodes relay network traffic when they provide a superior route versus the default public internet pathway, earning Noya tokens that facilitate the value-based economy. They tested this DARP technology with Starlink satellites and it significantly reduced the latency. The jitter reduction with the help of DARP, Starlink. What is DARP? DARP is the Decentralized Autonomous Routing Protocol that Syntropy uses to understand and analyze the internet pathways. How it works? DARP nodes constantly share latency information, creating a global intelligence layer for internet pathways. What will be its uses for different kind of businesses? Every website and application in both the current and decentralized internet can use Noya for content delivery to not only decrease expenses but also realize more efficient content distribution. Better way to deliver content: utilization of unused resources throughout the world to form a cooperative, widely dispersed and decentralized network for efficient content delivery. Designed to deliver the future content, Noya will substantially reduce content delivery cost and enable 4K, VR, AR and gaming content scaling. Unlimited availability: the network of hundreds of thousands of nodes won't have any geographical limitations, especially the emerging regions will benefit from it. Next gen technology: our P2P content delivery protocol employs relevant parts of peer exchange, BitTorrent, distributed hash, table and WebSocket wire protocols. CDN for the new internet, designed to deliver any type of content and fit seamlessly with either the current or the decentralized hosting solutions. Its current price is 35 cents and its ranking is 289. It's a Ethereum based token with the max supply of 1 billion and the market cap of 173 million. You can buy it from different exchanges like KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io, Bancor Network. What will be its future price? If Syntropy had Bitcoin's market cap of 1 trillion, one Noya would be worth 2163. Let's compare it with other coins. If it has Solana market cap 1, Noya will be equals to 92, Dogecoin 61, if Litecoin 24, Chainlink 23, Stellar $17, Axie Infinity $15, Tron $14, VeChain $14, Ethereum Classic 14, FTX 13, Elrond 9.95, PancakeSwap 9.87. So this was our today's video. If you like the video, kindly like and subscribe the channel.